Welcome back to the channel. Today's video will show you how to add comments in MS Word. Comments are useful when you want to get feedback, ask questions, or leave notes in documents. To start, open up your MS Word document in which you want to add comments and select the part of the text where you want to add comments. Now let's select this text. Click on the Review tab at the top of the screen. Now, you click on the new comments icon here. Now the comments icon has been added. A box will appear where you can add your comments or make your changes. So, that is how to add comments in Word. Hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to TechSoft channel for more videos like this. Bye guys, see you in the next video.